Well, ladies and gentlemen, you'd think we are at
And in terms of that,
the Waldorf Astoria because the Greens are here and my brother is over there, my brother-in-law.
Oh, that's the maitre d'. As Jennifer would say, he taught me everything I knew.
Oh, help us. Hey, Mike.
So we're prepping.
We're prepping for Thanksgiving tomorrow. I tell you, the place looks spiffy up. Oh my God. And then I couldn't help myself because the season, my favorite season is coming. So look what's going on over there. So my lights are going to go all the way up, but it's already, we are happening over here. What a view, what a view. Can't show you too much more.
Over tomorrow.
Yes.
Yours is zip code.
You know, we're into zip codes.